to say what you want to say.
Now, Kenya is bracing for a maize shortfall for nearly 25 million bags, prompting the government to move in with strategic imports. According to Agriculture Cabinet Secretary Mutahi Kagwe, arrangements are already in place to import 25 million 90-kilogram bags to cushion Kenyans against potential shortages and price spikes. The move comes as drought and other climate-related challenges continue to weigh on production in key maize growing areas.
Yes, we are going to import maize, but that is nothing to fear. We have within nations, different nations import different food products. The reason why I think there is that concern is because of the climatic conditions that we are experiencing. For example, there is a drought within most of the areas where we grow our maize. And these are some of the things we are talking about transformation. For example, over-reliance on rain-fed agriculture. It is time for us to move more into irrigation so that the kind of climatic changes that are happening will not impact us as much as they are at this time. Yes, we will import maize. We have already made arrangements for that. About 25, let's say 25 million bags. 25 million bags, 90 kilograms. 25 million 90 kilogram bags. That's about the figure that we are looking at the moment.
Right now, farmers in Kenya's North Rift are turning to soil testing to determine soil pH levels and